Welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone, this is your dad at home. Today's recipe is about tortilla or tortilla. It's actually pretty simple. First thing we need is one piece of potato, and we're going to cube the potato and fry. I assume that everyone knows how to cube the potato. We're going to fry the potato. It will take about 3 to 4 minutes. You will know it will turn golden brown when it cooks. And then the next one will be a chopped red onion. If you have red onion or white onion, there is no problem. Let's fry the onion for about 2 to 3 minutes. And you will know if it is cooked when you smell the aroma of our onion. Next we're going to fry is bell pepper or sweet pepper. It doesn't matter what color, yellow or red, but not green. Because green bell pepper has a different taste than red or yellow pepper or sweet pepper. So more or less everything is fried and then followed by 1 or 2 chopped tomatoes or tomato. Then followed by dried herbs, oregano, and the basil. Oregano and dried basil, both are dried. If you don't have both of them, either one of that oregano or basil, it is very important. So make the effort to have to find those dried herbs. And of course, don't forget the salt. Not too much, but moderate. And now we're going to add 2 beaten eggs as binder for our tortilla. So there are 2 important roles of this egg. It binds everything and also adds some flavor to our tortilla. Just do some little bit stirring so that to ensure that the egg will soak the potato and everything. And as everyone knows, we have to flip our tortilla, and in this case I'm using double pan, but be sure to reheat the other side of your pan so the tortilla will not stick to the other side when you flip. So there it goes, we flip it so that it will cook the other side as well. As we can see, this is the first side that already been cooked. Now it's time to add some cheese in it, particularly mozzarella cheese, and we're going to melt it. We're gonna put the cover again. Okay, 2 minutes has passed and our mozzarella has been melted. Now we are going to put our tortilla, the tortilla wrap, which is it happened to be exactly as the same size of our pan. So there it goes, an Spanish tortilla covered by tortilla wrap. And then we flip it over again so that the other side will be cooked. So the tortilla wrap is now underneath, and we are going to cover this time the other side. We're going to put our mozzarella cheese. So mozzarella cheese effectively uses thickening agent for our cover. There it goes, another tortilla wrap. This time on the other side. The other side is done. So this will stick because of the mozzarella cheese, and then we cover it again. So now we're going to flip it again so it will be toasted. So right, we're going to flip it several times so until we'll reach the perfect color for its side of tortilla in tortilla wrap. You may increase your heat so it will not take ages before we finish our project. And so it goes for the final flip. We're going to transfer that on a plate. So we effectively will flip that one on our plate, and then we're going to transfer that to the chopping board to chop, and then eventually taste our very tasty Spanish tortilla on a tortilla wrap. And so while we are slicing the tortilla in a tortilla wrap, I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone for subscribing to my channel. Please stay tuned for more new and exciting recipes in the future. Feel free to ask any question, leave comment, and share my recipes with everyone. I wish good health and prosperity for all. Okay, now back to our tortilla. It's almost done. We're going to eat one slice, and I wish I can give you one of these slices. It looks yummy. You can see the stringy mozzarella that's a little bit melty, and here is another one. Ooh, yummy. So thank you so much, and I'm going to have this all. Thank you from my last subscriber who subscribed last from my last videos, and I will see you next time.